the simple touch of a button, our patented dual air technology lets you set your own ideal level of comfort and support. Your unique Sleep Number setting, adjustable on each side for couples, so two people can finally sleep comfortably together in the same bed. And during our summer closeout, you'll find great savings on the extraordinary Sleep Number bed as we make room for our latest sleep innovations. Save $500 to $800 on the closeout of our Sleep Number memory foam and
over there with
series
Target,
sets.
though.
Plus, for 1 week only,
You
special
see
financing
everything.
with approved credit ends July 7th.
We didn't see that many. We saw a few.
But that's only because we probably came out late and it was after the Bay Sox game. Because they shoot fireworks after every Bay Sox game.
With 10 in the greater DC area. For your store, visit sleepnumber.com.
Oh, see, they have, you don't see it?
Yeah, I see. Okay, time to go back to you.
They just coming in and they scared to go out because they ain't got but a stop sign. There's no light.
Extra savings on over 400 new and pre-owned vehicles. Flat $10,000 off MSRP on select vehicles. Or 0% APR financing for 72 months. Free appraisals. $4,000 guaranteed for your trade. Don't miss the